In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ElevenLabs. So, whether you're eager to dive into advanced audio applications or just curious about this robust tool, stick around because we're going to walk through the entire process and you'll be set up in just a few minutes. To start, let's get comfortable by grabbing your favorite device and then open up your most trusted web browser. You could be using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Once your browser is open, the next step is to navigate to the ElevenLabs website. It's super simple. Just type ElevenLabs into your search bar, and it should pop up. The website is pretty straightforward, with all the information about their products and services right at your fingertips. Next, you'll need to register for an account. Having an account is key because it allows you to access all the cool features that ElevenLabs has to offer. So, look for the Sign Up button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Here, you have two options. You can either use your email address to create a new account, or opt for an even quicker route by using an OAuth provider. OAuth is great for instant signups and includes popular platforms such as Google, Facebook, or others you might already have. This is particularly handy because it means fewer passwords to remember. Once you've chosen your method and entered your details, there's one more quick step before you're officially in. ElevenLabs wants to make sure that your experience is as tailored and effective as possible, so they will ask you a few questions to personalize your account. These questions might pertain to how you plan to use their services, your interests, or preferences. This step is essential because it ensures that the interface aligns with your needs, giving you a seamless experience from the get-go. And there you have it. You are now set up and ready to explore the myriad possibilities that ElevenLabs offers. Whether you're planning to create, innovate, or simply get familiar with their tools, you've got everything you need right at your disposal. Before diving in, it might be helpful to take a few moments and browse through their introductory guides or FAQs, just to get a quick overview of the features offered. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the support options available on the ElevenLabs site. Happy exploring, and enjoy your journey with ElevenLabs.